Today I am reviewing MSI Aegis R2 AI Gaming Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-performance gaming desktops, the MSI Aegis R2 AI Gaming Desktop is truly a powerhouse. Designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand both speed and reliability, this system is built to handle the most demanding tasks effortlessly. At the heart of the Aegis R2 is the Intel Ultra 9 285 processor, featuring multiple cores and a base clock of 3.7 GHz, which can turbo boost up to 5.7 GHz. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking across several demanding applications. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 this system delivers stunning visuals, realistic ray-traced graphics, and smooth frame rates even in the most graphically intensive games. The GPU also makes this desktop fully VR-ready, giving gamers the ultimate immersive experience. Memory and storage are equally impressive. With 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz, you can seamlessly run multiple applications, stream games, and manage large creative files without lag or slowdown. Storage is handled by a 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast boot times, rapid game load speeds, and plenty of space for your game library, media files, and professional projects. The MSI Aegis R2 is designed not just for performance, but for cooling and longevity. Equipped with an RGB CPU air cooler and 4 system fans, 3 in the front and 1 at the rear, this desktop maintains optimal temperatures under heavy loads. The cooling system ensures that you can game for hours without performance dips due to heat, and the built-in RGB lighting allows for customizable aesthetics that can match any gaming setup. Connectivity and expandability are also top-notch. With USB Type-C, multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.3, this desktop allows you to connect all your peripherals, external devices, and monitors with ease. Whether it's a keyboard, gaming mouse, VR headset, or a multi-monitor setup, the Aegis R2 has you covered. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Aegis R2 provides a user-friendly interface and full support for the latest gaming and productivity software. The system also comes bundled with a gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can get started right out of the box. In terms of design, the MSI Aegis R2 features a sleek, modern black tower with customizable RGB lighting that gives your setup a professional yet stylish look. It weighs just under 27 pounds, making it manageable while still housing all this powerful hardware. In summary, the MSI Aegis R2 AI Gaming Desktop is an excellent choice for gamers, streamers, and creative professionals looking for top-tier performance, superior cooling, and future-proof technology. Its Intel Ultra 9 285 CPU, RTX 5070 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 2TB M.2 SSD come together to create a desktop that handles everything with ease. With VR readiness, RGB customization, and a well-thought-out cooling system, this desktop doesn't just perform, it dominates. If you're looking to elevate your gaming or creative workflow to the next level, the MSI Aegis R2 is a solid investment that delivers both power and style.